Hello friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making the spicy Persian street food, Sosis Bandari. Sosis Bandari is one of the Iran most famous street food. It is a spicy sausage dish and usually served in a baguette. The name Bandari means from port. That means sausage from port. The dish is originated in southern Iran, around Persian Gulf, and particularly in Khuzestan province and other Persian Gulf origin. Uh, this is a spicy food, and people over there they like their spicy food, and we make it really delicious and spicy. Today we are not making it that spicy, but it depends on you. If you like to be very spicy, you can adjust my suggestion. So let's get started. Okay, friends, our dish is ready. Let's make some delicious sandwiches. I have two baguettes, pickle, tomato, and fresh parsley ready to go. Friends, I'm so sorry, but I lost my audio file. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's try this delicious dish. Sosis Bandari is one of my favorite Iranian street foods. A very delicious spicy sausage dish that is quick, easy, and full of flavor. And you can get it in the sandwich places, or you can buy it if there is offered on the street. Thank you again for watching. I hope you make this dish and enjoy it as much as I did. Happy cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye.